yeah. This is Ndakasiyana. Asimwari wakati, we're okay. Let's go. Yeah. Anisi chirema, Ndakasiyana Newe chete. I'm here to show His glory. Bamwe manya, ini ama wheelchair diva sitting pretty. Papachi yangu yo itori, boo. I'm not losing hope. I'm luck, I feel udora bobo daily. Kuoma kwe life chete. They knows even gonna make it. Ndakasiyana Newe, but I'm okay. Andesi chirema, did it masterpiece. Every ability matters. We're differently able. Won't give up. Did it rising star? I'm just different, but I'm okay. Papa yangu iripo, handisi chirema. No pandiri, handinyare, ndiri who I'm meant to be. But they don't see what God hid inside you. Strength yori kubata na your life. How you breaking every chain against all odds. The old miracle at you that makes you even greater. Testing in my limitations, they do. I see it makes us human. Disability has a limit. We can actually shine with it. Ndakasiyana Newe, but I'm okay. And it's a dream. Did it masterpiece.